What's up, guys? This is Riz from Castle Crypto, and I just wanted to give you an introduction to Basic Attention Token, especially if you are a YouTube streamer, if you have your own website, or if you're a Twitch streamer. This is a cool way to get into cryptocurrency for the first time, and quite honestly, it's just one of these things that's constantly evolving, and it would be great to know about it and get a leg up on it. What you need to understand about Basic Attention Token, I'm going to keep it as simple as possible, is that it's a cryptocurrency. And it is going to be used to be exchanged between visitors of your platform or any website, in which they are kind of like removing the advertising aspect of websites, where you would normally see a banner on the site as you're browsing, or like an interruptive pop-up. And these things are annoying, they take up your time and attention, and a lot of times they don't target very well. So the goal of this token is actually to have a sort of not as interruptive experience, where an ad will pop up in the corner up here. It might actually happen during this video. More of a notification that basically is suggesting something that you might be interested in. And if you decide to click it and visit and spend some time on that site, you are actually awarded Basic Attention Token, which is a cryptocurrency. Now, what's great about this is that the token is also meant to be exchanged back and forth between content creators, advertisers, in like a very seamless way. Okay, so if I'm visiting a website and I have a stash of Basic Attention Token that I've earned from viewing ads, I can actually tip content creators immediately from the browser using Basic Attention Token. So in its simplest form, that's what it is. I'm not really going to get deep into the Ethereum aspect of it, or how it's an ERC20 token. If you are into crypto, you already know what that means. If you're not, I want to try to keep this video as basic as possible. Now, the team behind Basic Attention Token is rather interesting, particularly with Brendan Eich, who is the creator of JavaScript and also co-founded Mozilla and Firefox. So I think despite the crypto space having a lot of scams, ICOs, and things that are just generally avoidable, this project I believe actually has a lot of promise, and at the very least is going to spur on some innovation. What you need to do, however, is download the Brave browser. So Brave is basically a browser. It's based on Chrome, essentially. You can use Chrome extensions with it, but it's more privacy focused. So what they claim is that the information as you're browsing the net is actually stored locally on your device. It's not actually sent anywhere into like a cloud where someone can like access it or share it or store it. It's all stored locally. And then there's machine learning that kind of monitors your browsing habits on your device only, and then serves you ads based on what you've been looking at. Now, I can say from using it for a couple days, maybe a week now, it does actually serve me content that I am typically interested in. I'm getting a lot of crypto ads. I get ads for cooking, which is something I like to do. So they're doing, I think, a pretty good job. But also the fact that I'm getting rewarded for viewing those ads is really cool. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually download the Brave browser and get started with that. There's a link to that in the description of this video. If you use my link, it'll actually send me a little bit of Basic Attention Token as a tip. This is a great way to get more of the token into the ecosystem so that I can then use it to tip you guys. I want to go out there. I've been tipping publishers. I've been tipping YouTube creators. And so the more we can kind of get this token into action, the more we can all use it to tip each other. Now, what I want to show you guys is when you visit a website, for example, Castle Crypto, and you're using the Brave browser, you'll see this little icon in the top. It looks like a small triangle with a couple different colors. This is the Brave Rewards system, which is hooked up directly to Basic Attention Token. So from any website that is a verified publisher, I'm actually easily able to just click this button and send a tip to whoever the verified publisher is. So in this case, we've verified our website, which I'm going to get into in a second, and we've also verified our YouTube channel. And if this was a random browser, all this person would have to do is click send a tip, and it opens up a little screen that just says how much do you want to send, 1 Basic Attention Token, 5, 10, and the approximate US dollars. You can even do it monthly, which is really cool. So the tokens I've earned from watching ads, I can actually share with content creators, which is really cool. Now, what I want to show you is that you want to set up your wallet ahead of time. So there is settings you have to follow. When you download the Brave browser, you want to access the ads. And you can see this month I've already earned almost 6 Basic Attention Token, approximately $2. That's not a lot. You're not going to get rich off this, but still, that's better than nothing, which is what I've been, if I was browsing the internet with Chrome or Firefox or something, I'm not even making that small amount of money. So when you download the Brave browser, you want to make sure you access this little rewards section, get set up, get your wallet set up. You can actually buy the token on an exchange if you want to load it up at the current price. That's completely up to you, or you can just kind of start earning it. What's cool here is that it has an auto contribute feature, which allows you to contribute to your favorite content creators over time, which is really cool. And it also logs, who you sent tip to. So here we sent a tip to Ken Bozak on YouTube for 1 basic attention token to test the system, and it actually works. So he is a verified creator, so we're able to send him tips, which is really cool. So here we are on the YouTube channel. I just want to show you again, if I click the little icon, it's able to recognize that we are a verified publisher on YouTube, which is very cool. What you need to do in order to sign up for this part of it, if you are a Twitch streamer, if you're a YouTube streamer, or if you own your own website and you're publishing content, by the way, it does not have to be crypto content, it's just any general content on the web, you can sign up for this. So once you have the Brave browser downloaded, you want to go and sign up for Basic Attention Token Rewards Program as a content creator. So you want to visit publishers.basicattentiontoken.org, follow their sign up process, go through it. It's fairly easy. Once you're there, you're going to basically get to a dashboard where you're going to have to hook up your sites. Okay, so what's going to happen here is that there's a channel that you have to add. So channels are basically websites, YouTube channels, or Twitch at the moment. In the future, they may add things like Twitter or whatever. But all you do is come into this dashboard once you sign up. Super easy, and just say I'm going to add a channel, and click here and click YouTube channel, and what it does is it just uses the Google API to confirm that you have access to a certain YouTube channel. On your website, it's just a slightly more complicated, but if you're savvy enough to even have your own website, or if you have a developer that runs the operation for you, they'll give you a little snippet of code. You basically just add it to your site to prove that you own the website. Sometimes they also add a little file you can upload via FTP, just to confirm again that you are the owner of the website, so that when somebody sends a token to a certain wallet as a tip, they know who to credit to. This process again is super easy, and once you've connected your sites, it only takes about 24 to 48 hours to become a Brave verified publisher. Through this dashboard, you can also create a referral link for people to download the Brave browser, so you can kind of spread the word, like we've done with this video here. And you can get more people to download Brave and use Basic Attention Token and start getting rewards over time. So guys, I highly recommend that if you're a YouTube streamer, if you own your own site, if you're a Twitch streamer and you have a lot of followers, this is a great way to just kind of rack up a crypto passively by just simply hooking it up. And the more and more people that download the Brave browser, the more and more people that opt into the ads program, which is just a straight up ad system that's serving you. And here we go. There's one I just received right now for CoinClear, crypto investing without the complexity. Learn more here. So by clicking this and viewing this, and actually I think for just the ad displaying, I'll actually get a tip. You can see it actually increased to 6 Basic Attention Token. If I refresh this page, let's just see. Okay, so at the current time, that's where I'm at. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. So this is kind of like the new ad experience. It's kind of like a quick pitch. Do you want to learn more, which is kind of cool. So what I'm doing is just going to close that out for now. But again, guys, I highly recommend you sign up for the publisher program with Brave Rewards and Basic Attention Token. Super easy to do. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. But hopefully we can start racking up tips and spread the word about crypto in general. Talk to you later.